Our YouTube followers, followers of our other social media channels, visitors to our website and to Essendonbury Farm here will know that whilst we're primarily known for our involvement with Aston Martins from the 1950s to the present day, we are heavily involved with cars from other marques. When the right commercial opportunity presents itself, we often have cars of other marques for sale in our showroom, and our workshops are often involved in the servicing, maintenance, refurbishment and restoration of other cars, including other British sports cars, Porsche, Ferrari, etc. From time to time, we enjoy sharing the details of some of our work, and to that end, we're pleased to share with you this short case study video of a project recently completed by our Trim and Upholstery department. This stunning 1990 Porsche 964, owned by a good friend and client of the business, has been through a comprehensive multi-year restoration and upgrade program. Purchased with just 18,000 miles on the clock, at 30,000 miles, our client commissioned for the car to be restored, at the same time rebuilding and upgrading the engine to RS 3.8 litre specification and various braking, suspension and chassis modifications to make this his ultimate driving Porsche 964. With the restoration complete, our client's attention then turned to making the interior that little more special, and that is where we were delighted to assist.
Hello, my name's Adam Chappell and I'm the trim shop manager here at Nicholas Me & Company. In my 15-year career to date, I've worked on all manner of car interiors, including Lotus, Morgan, Porsche and of course a fair few Aston Martins. Our client had a clear idea of what he wanted, but together we were able to refine his brief. Being of Irish descent, he actually researched a tartan that was of the area of Ireland relevant to him. The tartan wasn't quite right for the specification of the car, so he approached the Scotland shop, who were able to make for him a bespoke tartan based upon the colour palette he had in mind. Suiting the oak green metallic paintwork, the tartan he was able to source, which is hard wearing, is primarily green with some silver and yellow accents, tying in with the yellow brake calipers. The front Recaro seats have been retrimmed in Connolly deep black Parkside hide, and the tartan used for the seat pad sensors. We also added the 3.8 decals to the headrests of the front seats. The rear seats have also been retrimmed in the same material. Combined with the Momo Black Edition steering wheel and RS door cards, we think the interior looks great, maintaining a level of comfort, whilst at the same time being more suitable for fast road and track day use.
Hopefully you've enjoyed this short video and you like the car as much as we do. If it's got your juices flowing and you've got a project for your vehicle interior you'd like to discuss, our service and aftercare team would love to hear from you.